I've got a spot on my elbow. I don't think I've ever had one there in my life. My assistant, Claire, is going to pop it. On you go.
Oh yeah! I'm back in Glasgow after a really good trip to Ardnamurchan where I was working for Film G in the high school there. I stayed there for 2 nights, Tuesday and Wednesday. I also vlogged on Tuesday for the first time in a couple of weeks. I called it The Feast and I asked for your help and I got your help. So thank you very, very much to those who subscribed to help me get to the magic 50. My next milestone is 100. Once you hit the magic 100, you can customise your channel and you can get a customised URL. It's that URL that I'm after. I want to print off some business cards with my channel name. So if I'm out and about vlogging, somebody asks me, oh, what are you up to here? Or I'll have my channel name on a business card and I'll say, right, check out my YouTube channel, make sure you hit subscribe. That's why I want 100 subscribers. Also, I want my channel to grow, I'm not going to lie. Thank you once again to everybody who subscribed. Really, really do appreciate it. I'm about to have a fruit smoothie. I'll talk to you just once I've had this, and I'll tell you why I'm so desperate for some fruit. Oh, I really love a fruit smoothie. It feels like a flipping age since I've had any fruit and veg though, because I was away for 4 days here and my diet over the 4 days was atrocious. It was so bad. I wasn't doing any form of exercise, so I'm feeling a bit flat today. You know that way when you've just been eating junk, it just like, blah! Tuesday's vlog was called The Feast, where I described being a freelancer almost like a feast and a famine. So my feast was the last maybe 3-4 weeks where it was just crazy busy and I didn't have time to do any content for my YouTube channel, so apologies once again for that. I did start vlogging yesterday. In fact, I'll show you 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds of that just now. Off to Ardnamurchan High School, last day with Film G, and then it's back to Glasgow later. Oh yeah!
Stay. See what I did there. It's a shame the weather's been a bit pants on this trip because that's a really beautiful sight, that. So, my last vlog I asked for 50 subscribers and I got, what am I on now? 48 right now as we speak at 8:45 on the 8th of December. So, 7 new subscribers, thank you very, very much. Enough talking, off to school now, last day with Film G, then it's back to Glasgow, and the famine is coming. I've got 2 more days work of December left as it stands just now. Busy last night doing subtitles till about 11:30, 11:45. Anyway, off to school.
So yeah, that's as much as I did. I was planning on vlogging my last day in Ardnamurchan. As soon as I got to the school, it was just like, wow, full on, really, really busy. As a result of being so busy lately, I've fallen behind on my invoicing, my bookkeeping, my record keeping. So today I'm going to spend a couple of hours invoicing folk. That's one of the downsides, maybe you could say, about being freelance. When you're in a full-time job, you know you're getting paid on the 10th, the 15th, whatever of every month. So when in my old employment, I was paid on the 25th of every month. So you know you were getting your £9 a month salary. I'm only joking. So I did this that same trick on Neil Liam MacDonald in the summertime working for Eyeline Media, and we were just talking about, you know, programme budgets, what's the budget for a programme and all this kind of stuff. So I just rattled off what I thought, you know, was a program budget. So I think I said to him, yeah, so you know, your day rate is something like whatever, and my day rate was 3 times more than his day rate. You should have seen his face. He was like, what? But we were on the same day rate. Oh, Neillian's face was a picture. So anyway, yeah, where was I going with this? A wee tip for anyone going freelance, or anyone thinking about going freelance. Try and get used to that idea just now that you're not going to get paid on the 15th, on the 25th, or the last day of every month. If possible, try and build up maybe some cash, like a reserve pot. So when I went freelance, first of all, I think I paid myself the bare minimum, and I built up like a backup / emergency fund. And I've also got a tax bill due soon as well, which I'm not looking forward to. Obviously got to pay your taxes, I'm not a tax dodger or anything. And I've got to do my sports prep tomorrow, working tomorrow. We'll try and vlog that as well actually. I'm going to a ground I've not been to in a long time, so that might be quite interesting to show you a bit about that football ground. I've also not done any proper exercise since Saturday, so we'll try and get some exercise in today. I've got to return a hire car. Then our front 2 tyres in the car they're not threadbare, but they're, you know, they're dodgy. They're not dodgy, they're certainly not illegal. They're, you know, you can still feel a wee gap. I'll show you. Right, I'll show you what I mean just now on the hire car that I've got.
Yeah, so if you run your finger between the gap here, and you feel this wee kind of ridge, this wee kind of bump, if your tyre thread is flush with this bump here, you're in trouble. So ours isn't quite flush, it's just like maybe 1 mil, maybe 2 mils above the tip. So yeah, we need to get our front tyres changed.
Then Claire and I are going out for some scoff in Silverburn, because we get our tyres changed through Black Circles, and they've got somewhere in Silverburn, so you just leave your car and then go in and get food. What else do I need to say? Is there anything else just now? No. Got to get cracking with some work.
97, 88, 99, 100. Did 100 press ups?
Nah, I didn't really. Did a few though. So I was hoping to get out. I was hoping to go out and do some. I was hoping to go out and do some exercise today, but the time has just completely run away on me. I don't know where it's gone. So sent some invoices, done some prep for tomorrow's match, Brecon v East Fife. I need to send that to Mikey at some point today. I've sent in some of the films to Film G. I've got the Film G MacBook upstairs. So quick shower, going to shave this bum fluff off, drop the car off, the hire car that I've got, then go across the river and see the wife and get new tyres for the car. Catch you later!
Okay, so lucky for me, Arnold Clark's not that far away. So I have, I think, half an hour now to get Chybers turned around. It's doable. Right, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
You're a good man. Have a good Christmas when it comes. Cheers, pal. Silverburn just now, going to drop the car off to get new front tyres. Bit upset right now. No, not really. It's okay. Normally we'd be going for a Wagamama, but not today. Claire wants to try something different. Don't look at me! Get that camera away from me! No, I will actually, in case she hits me. Hi! Get in my belly! We've had a really good meal at Nando's. I noticed I had chips on my plate, but there is mine. Rice and corn. Claire had peri chips and coleslaw. I didn't order chips because I've had so many chips this week, but I ate them anyway. Couldn't be bothered complaining. So that's us done here. Got new tyres for the car. Hopefully it's going like a dream now. And we're going to head home now. Got to finish off some invoicing, got to finish off my prep for tomorrow, and then chill out and watch some soaps. Oh, I need to get ice cream for pudding. I've got a spot on my elbow. I don't think I've ever had one there in my life. My assistant, Claire, is going to pop it. On you go. Is that it?
No.
Did you see Claire's smile just now? She's loving this. Is that it?
No.
Is anything coming out at all?
No. It's... no.
Why are you closing your eyes?
I don't know.
Do you want to get a pin?
Oh, what's it?
Did it pop? Oh, look away now if you're squeamish. Any gunk in it? Oh man, why do spots hurt so much?
Gaelic for today is "O mo chreach." O mo chreach. That means "oh my goodness," and with the chreach it's a good ch on either end of the chreach. So you really want to get the good CHs. Chreach, chreach. If you've got any Gaelic in mind that you want me to teach you, comment below, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you very much. Oh my chreach. Oh my goodness. Oh my chreach.